Hi ya, welcome to Vietnam Remy Hair's YouTube channel. Can you guess where I am today? I am in the packaging place. Today we will show you how we pack our hair. As one of the biggest human hair suppliers in Vietnam, every day we send almost 1,000 small packages to our clients. There are some orders including 300 or 400 small packages each. However, the challenge here is how to preserve the hair quality during the shipment process lasting for days or weeks. Good packing is the key. Let's follow me to understand more. A comb, scissors, carton box, tape, hair oil, clear plastic bags are all we need. For packaging our hair, we follow 3 steps. 1. Comb the hair and apply hair oil to it. This step is to preserve the moisture of the hair, avoid drying during the shipment process. 2. Gently put the hair bundle in a clear plastic bag, using one rubber band to keep the bundle fixed inside the bag. 3. Put the packed bundle in the carton box. Wrap the carton box with tape. The tape will prevent the package from being opened and stolen apart during the shipment process. Ta-da! Here you are. We have a package ready for shipment. This is the way we wrap boxes, very simple but still compact and secure throughout the shipment process. If you find the video interesting, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos in the future. The hotline number is still in the description box for you. Hope to hear something from you guys soon. Bye ya.